about that new Schwarzenegger immigration thing where they're going to give health care? See what's going on. It seems kind of crazy to me. I mean, we're paying, they're not. I just want to watch the news and see. It's, I don't know, man. Yeah, it seems weird. I mean, they're not even here legally. I guess it is everyone's right to have health care, though. I don't know. Hey, I'm going to watch the news. You gonna just end? Yeah. We'll talk about this. Let's hang out later and see what we think. I'm just gonna, I gotta go home and have a little light tea. We'll see what the... Alright, have a good day, man. When rising healthcare costs meet increases in illegal immigration, government officials are forced to take action. Our Jeff Williams has taken a look at what California's approach is. Governor Arnold Schwarzenegger is taking progressive landmark steps forward today, proposing mandatory state-subsidized health insurance for every Californian, legal or not.
If you can't afford it, the state will help you buy it, but you must be insured.
He says that if the state is forced to pay for emergency room services for illegal immigrants, it should also be able to require them to have health insurance, just as car owners are required to purchase auto insurance.
Our question, the decisions that our team has made was not should we treat them or not treat them. The question really is how can we treat them in the most cost-effective way. We are trying to be realistic here and not live in denial.
In 2004, 43% of all births under California's Medi-Cal plan were to illegal immigrants. The grand total for taxpayers, $400 million. But when it comes to Schwarzenegger's $2.5 billion a year subsidized healthcare plan, other Republican leaders say it's just not right.
If they break the law, come into our country, they'll get benefits that they wouldn't receive if they played by the rules. And that kind of message is a very dangerous message for a nation that supposedly believes in the rule of law to send anywhere around the world, especially in our own neighborhoods.
This would be a further validation of saying that illegal behavior is okay, and I don't think that's where Californians want to go. Californians have been very clear about that.
Still, constituencies do exist that turn their back on lawmakers' predictions of long-term legal trouble at the nation's borders. They say healthcare is a constitutional right that should be provided whether or not an immigrant is here legally or pays taxes. Schwarzenegger has not yet said where the money will come from or exactly who would be eligible to get it for free or reduced costs. From MacArthur Park, this is Jeff Williams reporting.
Despite his reputation for tough border control, California's Governor Schwarzenegger has recently advocated giving some illegal immigrants free health care. Our Tina Baker has the story.
Schwarzenegger maintains that if the state has to provide emergency room services for illegal immigrants, everyone in California should be forced to buy health insurance.
If you can't afford it, the state will help you buy it, but you must be insured.
The governor's proposal has angered fellow Republican lawmakers, taking a different stance on illegal immigration since he became governor 4 years ago.
Our question, the decisions that our team has made was not should we treat them or not treat them. The question really is how can we treat them in the most cost-effective way. We are trying to be realistic here and not live in denial.
But today, foreign-born U.S. citizens, legal and illegal, are thrilled. One illegal immigrant from Los Angeles said this is the first step in the right direction she has seen.
I work hours and hours a day in dirt-poor jobs, doing things that nobody else wants to do, cleaning crap off the floor, and I get paid nothing and I get no health care.
Marta Gonzalez says that she works so hard that at very least she deserves to be healthy.
I want to take them to the hospital because they're sick, just as sick as anybody else down the street or anybody else in this city. We're turned down and we're not able to get the same medicines or the same opportunities.
Right now, 43% of all children born in California are to illegal immigrants.
I'm here in Los Angeles at MacArthur Park where a number of undocumented immigrant workers choose to spend some or all of their days. These are the people who would be affected by Governor Arnold Schwarzenegger's policies that would provide health care to undocumented workers. A large number of the residents we spoke with today would be in favor of Schwarzenegger's policies that would grant health care to these undocumented workers.
My family employs an undocumented worker. I mean, I wouldn't even call her that. She's part of our family. She's been working with us for the last 9 years, and we offer her the luxury of health care, but there are millions of families out there who do not have that opportunity, do not have that luxury, and I don't understand how we can sit by and watch them work so hard for bare minimum and then not provide them the medical attention that they need.
So you're for giving them free health care?
Oh, completely.
Hey man, what'd you think?
What do I think? I think this is one of Schwarzenegger's best plans ever. Now finally the people who do the dirtiest work in our country will get something back.
What? This is one of the worst ideas I've ever heard.
But what about Marta Gonzalez? Her story is so sad. She works all those hours and never gets anything in return.
What? I don't even know who that is. What about upholding the country's laws?
Listen, man. Laws are set up to reflect the people in the country that those laws are based in, okay? I don't know what you're talking about. What channel did you watch anyway?
Channel 4. What channel did you watch?
I watched Channel 9.